For this one, I decided to use colored sand, and the bottle is orange, so I had to use those tones. If I would use green or something like that, it would all look brown. So I used a natural sand, orange and red. You just scrape along the sides. This is great for kids to do too. You might have to help them hold the bottle if they're really little, so the sand doesn't dump out. For sealing this one, I had old Play-Doh, so I'm just adding tacky glue to one side, putting it on top of the sand, pressing down. Then we'll add some tacky glue to the top as well and put the lid on. Now you can use a different glue. This whole time you could use hot glue, but I wanted to show tacky in between because the children can use it. And the easiest way is to put it on a plate or something and let them dip and stick. You need a generous amount. Then just for reinforcement, you can hot glue the top if you'd like. Here I'm using a lid. If you don't have a lid, just anything that has plastic, just go through your recycle bin. And I'm figuring out how big I want the feet and tracing around the back too, so I can cover this whole area with glue and attach the feet. So the feet were hot glued on, covering the whole bottom of the bottle, and then just dip and stick the beard on too. Again, this really is great for kids to do. And then I played around with a sock. Now you don't have to use a sock. You can use leftover material. You can use felt pieces. This sock is a small woman's foot, so it is too big for it, but if you bunch it, it'll be fine. Separating the hair, the beard, and just putting a pebble nose in. You can use a little wooden knob, you can use a button, you could even use a little piece of clay. Whatever you have, I have a lot of little pebbles, so I use that. And then the hot glue really for the sock. If I would have had a rubber band, which I don't have any, I would have used that too to help pull the sock together. And then just to let it lay flush, I'm going to add a ribbon. So here we're going to hot glue that right on top, and that way I can pull it a little tighter. Here he is. Now he's all ready for his air plant on top in place of a pom-pom. Happy planting!